Mary-Kate Porter for LII TV. Today we're out at the Feel the Love installation, which is one of Lennox's largest charitable initiatives, and deserving homeowners across the nation are receiving new heating and AC units all this week. On a beautiful fall morning in Dallas, Lennox and Rescue Air employees gathered for a celebration at the home of Laura Olvera. Holding the hand of her adult son, Olvera explained what the new AC and heating unit meant to her.
I am diagnosed with colon cancer, and then I am in this process. So when they come and try and fix the AC, they told me, Saul told me, your AC is really old. You're gonna need a new one.
After seeing how much she needed it, Rescue Air nominated Olvera for a Feel the Love installation.
When they call me and they say, you are the winner, I'm crying and I say, thank you, God, thank you. So this is amazing, and this is gonna, because like a single mom, I don't have the money for buying.
But the love didn't stop with a new AC and heating unit. Rescue Air owner Joshua Campbell says after speaking with Olvera, he also called a team out to fix problems with the home's plumbing.
Just getting the opportunity to meet them, know them, and know how much you're helping. I mean, I'd imagine that's everybody's favorite part.
Across 37 U.S. states and Canadian provinces, Lennox and 180 dealers participated in 210 installs this year. The hope is to do even more in the future.
I would love to see for the future Feel the Love to grow our outreach, double our installs next year and then following the year after that. I think we have such a big platform to reach so many people, and I just think it needs to grow so we can better our community and better our country.
Thank you so much for watching. For LII TV, I'm Mary-Kate Porter.